테스트래 필리핀도 연라 닝 탁번 테스트래 아니 당보들라 창말라 공세지 쉐니 비디오 교령 보지세 총마서 아니 딜라비미스 건다 쉐라 아니 얘기 비디오라 가부낭이 창말라 아니 건다 aslan 아니 다 셈반다 비디오 망고세요 고 섬기도 이네 아니 셈베 셈바나시 리뷰기 조금도 다 참참 시엔라 펜토에기 지게나 아니 셰치기에 아니 미시기 보고 테레피 지신바갈라 비디오 진주신주인데 캬베라더니 셰치기에 안탈레 원덴기 테레피스 아니 원덴기 진짜디 간데 지기 매지 조시 된 처버지 한디 파마 심발라 펜토에게 레버다 멜럼게는 셰치기에 한 비디오디 당에 상물로 안에 꾸지 가마마 셰기로나 아니 총순촌나 가다디 그로나 아니 얘기 비디오 가부싱에 상물로 님 타건 투지체나 얘기 부분이라 아니 서포트 나와들라 빼 투지체 진짜 상마 항상에게 내가 접줘야 보는 것도 아니 따디 무튼이 아니 엔다 시로나 라세 상물로 아니 구슬라 투자난고 바이바이.
What do I have?
Well, do you have all, are you holding all fingers up, some fingers up, or none fingers up?
All fingers.
Yeah, all fingers. Good. Okay, listen. Let's do another one. Plastic.
Plastic?
Let's see if you can name at least 3 things that are made out of plastic. Go.
Plastic guitar.
Yeah?
Toys.
Toys, that's a good one. There are a lot of toys made out of plastic. Can you think of another thing that could be made out of plastic?
Plastic glass.
Yeah, like a plastic cup? Sure.
An unbreakable cup.
Yeah, it's unbreakable. You're right, because it's plastic. All right. Now, we're going to talk about opposites. Ready? Here we go. I'm thinking about an umbrella that is the opposite of wet.
Dry.
That was so fast. Okay, let's do another one. I'm thinking about a snake that is the opposite of long. So what do you know about it?
Short.
It's short. Beautiful. Okay, let's see how much information you remember. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. What do you call a place where airplanes land?
An airport is a place where airplanes land.
Wow, you said the whole thing. Amazing. What do you call a person who flies an airplane?
A pilot is a person who flies an airplane.
Great. What do you call a place where you buy food?
A supermarket is a place where you buy food.
Great. A supermarket or a grocery store? What do you call a building for fire trucks?
A fire station is a building for fire trucks.
Beautiful, Wangden. What do you call a person who helps people get well?
A doctor is a person who keeps people keep people well.
Okay, so listen. A doctor is a person who helps people get well.
Doctor is a person who helps people get well.
Good. What do you call a person who cuts down trees?
Lumberjack is a person who cuts down trees.
High five. Good remembering.
Now?
What do you call a person who helps people get well?
Nurse is a person who helps keep people well.
You're right, a nurse helps people get well. Who else helps people get well?
Doctor.
A doctor. Can you say the whole thing?
Doctor is a person who keeps people get well.
So listen again. A doctor is a person who helps people get well.
Doctor is a person who helps people get well.
Very good, Wangden. Okay, here we go. I'm going to name some objects. Tell me a class these objects are in. Listen. Shrub, tree, flower,
Plant.
Scissors, hammer, saw.
Tools.
Wow. Shoe, socks, jacket,
Clothes.
Holy cow. Okay, listen carefully. I'm going to name a class. See how many objects you can name in that class. Clothing.
Shirt, pant, underwear, insert,
Undershirt.
undershirt, undershirt,
Yeah.
undershirt, shorts,
Yeah.
skirts.
That's great. That's a lot of clothes. All right, how about this one? Tools.
scissors, saw, screwdriver, the tomato,
Sure, that's great. How about plants?
trees,
Mm-hmm.
grass,
Okay.
vines,
Vines, good.
branches,
Branches.
trunk,
So those are all parts of a tree. So you said vines. You said
bush,
a bush, good. You said tree. Can you think of one more thing? It's very colorful.
Flower.
Flower, very good, Longden. Okay, great. That was amazing.
chocolate.
You want a break?
Yes.
Sure. Ho, ho, ho.